Let's make some moi-moi without stress. Guys, you will love this so much. First, I have my beans flour. This makes it so easy. You don't have to go through the process of washing beans, peeling beans and all that stuff. This is not an ad. I'm just showing you beans flour. I have my bowl here and I get some cups of beans flour into the bowl. Guys, you can see on the screen it says 4 cups of beans flour, and that is exactly what I just measured. And then I have some cup of water. I used about 6 cups of water for this, and a little more, to be honest, because at some point I tried to weigh the texture, but 6 cups is just perfect, guys. So I stir it, and to get all the beans flour nicely incorporated with the water. Actually, I don't want lumps in this mix, so the beans batter has to be smooth, no lumps, so the moi-moi will also be smooth, right? That's just fine. I keep stirring it till I get what will be okay. Next, I add some dry fish. This is deboned dry fish. Please watch my last video where I talked about deboning dry fish. And I add some tomato sauce, some salt, and guys, some pepper. This is just a lovely mix. Not too much ingredients, guys, but this moi-moi is going to taste amazing. It's going to taste perfect. And will I add that moi-moi is just beans and it is nutritious. You have your carbohydrate, a little bit of protein, and when you add all these ingredients, makes it perfect. Guys, have a closer look at what we have. So this is the mixture we have, and then I get this plate. I just love this plate. There are many ways of molding or having your moi-moi. You can use the leaf, you can use the plate. So I have this plate here with me. It's just kind of stronger. I love it, and it will make a whole mess while it is boiling. So I put some of the moi-moi butter in this plate, as you can see me do. This will help it cook and also cook faster. So I'm almost done plating the moi-moi, and I cover it. I use the cover or the lid to cover the moi-moi plate that has the butter, and I pour some water into a pot. This is where I'll be boiling this moi-moi mix. I set the moi-moi plate into the pot and I get ready to place it on fire, guys. This place is where we'll have to cook it for about 20 to 25 minutes. Meanwhile, I have to cover with a foil again to give it that proper boiling, and the steam will just be retained to boil it perfectly. So we are done now with the 25 minutes, and we have to proof to check if this moi-moi is properly done. Here I have this skewer, plastic skewer. Then I check, there is no butter on it, so it is ready. And guys, this is what we have. It looks so good. You don't have to stress yourself. This is just how I love to make moi-moi without stressing myself. And let's cut it in to see what it looks like. Guys, cut with me. It looks so good, guys. You can eat it with your rice and your peppered chicken, just like I have it in my plate. Will you be trying this recipe? Please subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more food content. Thank you for watching, and do have a nice day.